when you're ready to get a wee clip.
Before I start top lip slapping, think me and Skepta were born rapping. Born in the ends, moon food in the ends, and that's the new meaning of spawn trapping. She sells seashells on the seashore, no, he sells weed shells on a P4, yeah, he sells details, swiping galore. Beats aka credit card fraud. You can't test me in the music game, I got bare XP, doing this thing for real. In school, while you was typing up your CV, I was downloading a Windows NT, bare sample packs of Fruity Loops free. Ask Mr. Koval about me, I was walking around with my jacket that said my controller on the back. Best MC in the game, fact. Didn't care about charts or about blacks. Didn't give a shit about YouTube stats. Didn't give a fuck about first week sales. Now you wanna come and chat all this crap? Fam, all I wanted to do was pick up the mic and spray. And today I still do that, so chat to me about fucking up shows. Spraying 100 supporters to the videos. Spitting brand new bars, nobody knows. Still everybody in the room up on their toes. Room smoked out, even though I don't smoke. Forget my bars and freestyle, I don't choke. Been doing this for over 10 years, so anybody that was there from the start that only cares now, fuck you, rude boy. Ring my phone, I'll duck you, rude boy. Chatting about, oh, I ain't seen you for time. Yeah, I don't wanna buck you, rude boy. You never used to check me back in the day. You didn't used to rate me back in the day. You never used to bread me back in the day. So how the fuck am I the one who's changed? Pissed me off, hard from the start and I ain't gone soft. Your new fans come like tans, they only want a bread man skin after man got hot. Grime in my heart just like Logan, more serious than my slogan. Anybody wanna go against me, I will leave you seeking asylum like Snowden. Trust me, even if you don't see me, I'm working so I don't get rusty, cause I'm born to do it like CD. These guys try cuss me and they ain't even sold one CD. The only time they'll succeed is if they build a zoo and it's CD. Cause they don't know about fucking up shows, bringing 100 supporters to the videos. Spitting brand new bars, nobody knows. Still everybody in the room up on their toes. Room smoked out, even though I don't smoke. Forget my bars and freestyle, I don't choke. Been doing this for over 10 years, so any one of you cocaine snorting label executives that thinks you can take my integrity for a couple bags, think twice. Make grime and I get paid, I'm nice. In a rave, get lemonade and ice. I thought by now it was apparent that these guys cannot develop our talent. I thought by now it was bait that these guys to try to decide man's fate.
He's never been in marquee with a cut down, eh? Trust me, daddy. Hey, I've never been in. When it's shut down, that's not me and it's shut down. Ring ring pussy, it's shut down. Hey. Fashion week and it's shut down. Went to the show sitting in the front row in a black tracksuit and it's shut down. Touch the road and it's shut down. Boy, better know when it's shut down. Yeah. Take time if a man want try me. No time. You say but when I run up on stage, I pick up the mic and it's reload time. Don't know your songs, but they know mine. That's why I got gigs just like Joe Grind. After the show, I'll be rolling mine. Don't care about the no smoking sign. They tried to steal my vision. This ain't a culture, it's my religion. God knows I don't wanna go prison, but if a man want try me, trust me, listen. Me and my G's ain't scared of police. We don't listen to no politician. Everybody on the same mission, and we don't care about your ism and schisms. Cause it's shut down. That's not me and it's shut down. Ring ring pussy, it's shut down. Fashion week and it's shut down. Went to the show sitting in the front row in a black tracksuit and it's shut down. Touch the road and it's shut down. Boy, better know when it's shut down. You wanna act like a G for the camera. You say you're Muslim, you say you're Rasta. Say you don't eat pork, don't eat pussy. Liar, you're just an actor. Blood, you're not on your dean. And if Selassie I saw you, he would say blood, take off the red, gold and green. Them man are soft just like ice cream. Scene, start moving correctly. If you don't wanna upset me, you get me. You tryna show me you're friendly, I told you before the shit don't impress me. I bet I'll make you respect me when you see the man them are selling out Wembley. Roll deep in a blacked out Bentley, pull up outside like what, going sexy. Yeah, and it's shut down. That's not me and it's shut down. Ring ring pussy, it's shut down. Fashion week and it's shut down. Went to the show sitting in the front row in a black tracksuit and it's shut down. Touch the road and it's shut down. Boy, better know when it's shut down.